students, it's Mrs. Henningsen back again for another word of the week. Thanks for joining me. Today our word is going to be the word examine. Examine just means to look closely and very carefully at something so that you can better understand it. When you go to the doctor, your doctor might provide an examination to look closely to find out why you need to be there if you're sick or something like that. In science, we might look through a magnifying glass to examine the crystals in rocks or minerals. So examine is a word we use in school a lot. Other forms of the word examine might end with an ed, and it would sound like examined, or with ing, like I'm examining these rocks and minerals. Let's learn a gesture that's going to help us to remember the word examine. We're going to do what I'm going to do right now. Watch me first, and then we'll try it together. You're going to point with your pointer finger to your fabulous brain and put your other hand out like it's a piece of paper. And we're going to say examine, just like that, okay? So I'm examining a pretend book in front of me. Hand, examine, examine, examine. Let's try it one more time. I'm going to examine, examine, examine. Good job. That's a pretty fun one. Let's practice with some frames so that we can sound like we really know what we're talking about when we use the word examine. For instance, I might use the frame, in science, I examined blank. Hopefully you love doing science projects. What could you examine? I might use the frame that in science, I examined what I saw in the microscope. I love to do that. How about you? Think about things that you can examine, okay? Practice on your own. Until next time, bye-bye.